Hello and welcome to Poseidon Tech. Can this small device remove all the ads from your network? Stay tuned. As we said, we will convert a Raspberry Pi to a network-wide ad blocking. In order to do so, we need to install first Raspbian. So let's connect the SD card to the laptop. Now we need to navigate to Raspberry site. And go to download. Select the light version, since it is enough in our case, and download. Once the download is finished, we need the software to write the image to the SD card. In our case, we will use Etcher. First, we select the image we downloaded and the SD card, and then press flash. When the SD card writing is finished, we need to reinsert the card since it has been unmounted. We will not connect the Raspberry to an external monitor, so we need to enable SSH access without using the configuration menu. In order to do so, we need to create an empty file on the root folder of the SD card named SSH. We can create this file using the touch command. Now our Raspberry is ready and SSH access enabled. It's time to put SD card back to the Raspberry and connect it to the network. Next, we need to connect to the Raspberry Pi via SSH. Use the default user, which is Pi, and the default password, which is Raspberry. Now we navigate to Pihole website. As you can see, there are several ways to install Pihole and many supported operating systems. Raspbian is among them. After we press install Pihole, we will use the one-step installation, which is the easiest way to install Pihole. Just run the provided command to the Raspberry Pi and wait. After some seconds, the Pihole configurator appears. Press OK. At this point, we are prompted to use static IP. We can either do so or reserve an IP for the Raspberry. We select the Ethernet interface and proceed. Next, we need to select the upstream DNS provider. I select Google and proceed. Next, the blacklist providers and some more approvals. And finally, the prompt to install the web admin interface. This is an optional step, but it is highly recommended to do so. Some more options related to the web admin interface. and the Raspberry is ready. At this point we are informed that the installation is completed and the password for the web admin interface is provided. Don't forget to keep this password safe. Now it's time to configure our DNS. The best approach is to configure DNS on the router, which will be applicable for all devices in our network. That's it, we are ready. In order to inform my DNS server faster, I will disable and re-enable my connection. Great, my DNS servers are updated. It's time for a test. Let's use one very useful site, but with very annoying ads, the Ookla speed test. As you can see, no ads at all. Now it's time for YouTube. As you can see, also here the ads are not visible. And now a common site. Let's have also a small comparison between using and non-using Pihole. Now that are clear the benefits of using Pihole, let's take a look at the web administration. First of all, as you can see, there are more than 100,000 domains on blacklists, and 21.6% of my DNS queries are blocked. It means that more than 20% of my DNS traffic has been saved, which in a case I used an ad blocker in the browser, the ads will not appear as well, but the traffic will not have been saved. So, double benefit of using Pihole. On the query logs, more information can be found. On the whitelist, a domain can be inserted as well as on the blacklist. On the Tools section, the blacklist can be updated. Next, on the Network section, more information regarding the device on the network can be found. And finally, in the settings, some info regarding the device. Last but not least, have in mind that Pihole removes ads from the mobile ads as well and can be used on other Wi-Fi networks via configuring manual DNS server after of course exposing port 53 of our Pihole. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please press like and consider subscribe. See you on the next video.